POV, you've got the best job in this world, a Beyblade Packer.
Hi guys, meet my new packing helper, a pair of packing gloves. No, this is not a paid promotion. I don't even know what's the brand. It took me a while to find these gloves. What's so great about it? Well, first of all, it fits my hand so well. This is crucial to me because it allows me to grasp things more effectively. And you probably won't know this if you haven't been a packer. I frequently end up with cuts while folding boxes. Now I'm well protected. More importantly, my mom and other packing teammates won't get cut too. What truly amazed me was that these gloves don't stick to tapes as much as other types of gloves. Otherwise, it will slow down my work substantially. One thing I didn't expect is that these gloves are smartphone friendly. I can pack parcels and cross-check orders with ease. This should help reduce mistakes effectively. Hopefully no more return parcels due to our mistakes. Wait till you see, they won't even get stuck sticking on waybills. How nice! Next up, this is an order all the way from Australia. One of our biggest overseas orders yet. I've recorded a dedicated video for this order requested by the buyer. I'll be uploading it soon. Subscribe or follow my channel to catch it. International shipping costs are high, even though DHL already offers us rates quite close to EMS. Therefore, I always have to begin by searching for the right box for the order, and this might take some time. The box cannot be too small, as it wouldn't provide enough space for additional protection. On the other hand, it cannot be too big or else I would end up losing money. To help buyers save money, I used to spend weeks to fine-tuning the calculations, ensuring that the online marketplace accurately calculates shipping costs as close to the actual cost as possible. I had to learn all of this on my own, starting from scratch. But all these were valuable experiences, helping me to learn and grow. Sometimes you just have to learn by the hard ways. If it is a local parcel, I normally would wrap bubble wraps around the box or placing it inside a courier bag. But I can't do the same for international orders because it will incur extra charges to buyers. This was why we hesitated to start shipping internationally at first, as it involves more work than you could imagine. After brainstorming and testing, we figured out that covering the entire box surface with strong tape not only makes it cost-effective, but also waterproof and strengthens the box. And with DHL's good service, I trust that they will deliver this parcel in good order to my buyer's hands over the 3,000 miles from Malaysia to Australia. Next, this is an order that left me upset. I'll share in a separate video coming soon. I'm grateful though, that we have way more understanding buyers. I'm live my life feeling thankful every day. If you are the buyer of this order, please don't be offended. Feel free to reach out to us. We're here to listen and understand your situation. As you can see, we handle all parcels as if they were our own. Of course, we consider buyers, even viewers, as someone close to us. I promise, while we may not be the quickest to respond, you can expect friendly and welcoming replies from us. This order was placed during sales. There were quite a number of free gifts I've included. What a pity that this order didn't work out. But I'll keep packing orders with passion because it's what I love. And I have my mom as a business partner. She will consistently remind me of the way we were treated as buyers in the past. We shouldn't let our buyers be treated the same way. If you want to know what we have experienced as a buyer, check out how we started playlist after this video. So do you agree with me that Beyblade Packer is the best job ever? I still think it is, especially if you are someone who once couldn't afford a Beyblade like me. I hope this video not only entertains, but also inspires those who can't afford a Beyblade, rather than making them feel worse. I've been there before. Work hard for your dreams.